Today I'm sharing how to make the crispy, golden, and always crowd favorite Filipino classic Lumpiang Shanghai. Peel and chop the onion into big chunks. Put the chopped onion to a food processor. Peel and cut the carrots into big chunks. Add into the food processor. Slice the cabbage into big chunks. Add into the food processor. Peel the garlic cloves. Add into the food processor. Pulse until finely chopped. Put the ground chicken in a big mixing bowl. Add the chopped vegetables. Add 1/4 cup parmesan cheese. Add 1/4 cup mozzarella cheese. Add half teaspoon salt. Add half teaspoon ground black pepper. Add half teaspoon garlic powder. Add 2 eggs. Mix well. Separate the lumpia wrappers. For seeding the lumpia, put a tablespoon of all-purpose flour to a small bowl. Add a splash of water. Mix to form a paste. Adjust the water. Line a tray with parchment paper. On a table, place together a clean plate, the lumpia wrappers, the flour paste, the ground chicken filling, and the parchment-lined tray. Place the lumpia wrapper on a plate in a diamond shape. Put 1 tablespoon filling onto the lumpia wrapper. Place a little bit below the middle. Using your fingers, form the filling into a sausage. Fold the slides in. Then roll, leaving some space for the sealing. Put some flour paste onto the lumpia wrapper. Then roll to seal. Place the rolled lumpia onto the lined tray. I have some leftovers and will freeze it for making lumpia later. Set a deep pan on a medium heat. Add oil. After 2 minutes, add 3 lumpia and fry for 2 minutes. Flip and cook the other side for 2 more minutes. Fry the rest. Put the cooked lumpia on a sieve vertically to drain excess oil. Freeze the ones to eat later. It's best to eat lumpia right away. You can dip the lumpia in a sweet chili sauce or tomato ketchup. Enjoy and thank you for watching.